Okay, Kushalo Bhatia. Today's topic is cardiovascular assessment. Introduction. Cardiovascular assessment is very state leading killer for both men and women among all racial and ethnic group. A thorough cardiovascular assessment will help to identify significant factors that can uh, can influence cardiovascular health such as high blood cholesterol, cigarette use, diabetes or hypertension. Terminology central venous pressure. It is the venous pressure as measured at the right atrium done by means of a catheter introduced through the median cubital vein to the superior vena cava. Blood pressure. It is the amount of force and pressure that blood exerts on the wall of the blood vessel as it passes through them. Systolic pressure, the blood pressure measured during the period of ventricular contraction. In blood pressure reading, it is the higher of the two measurement. Diastole, the period between contraction of the arteria of ventricle during which blood enter the relaxed chamber for the systemic circulation and the lung. Diastolic pressure, the blood pressure as measured by sphygmomanometry after the contraction of the heart while the chamber of the heart refill with blood. History. The purpose of the cardiovascular health history is to provide information about your patient cardiovascular symptom and how they develop. A complete cardiovascular history will give you indicate to potential or underlying cardiovascular illness or disease state. Past health history. It is important to ask question about your patient past health history. The past health history should elicit information about the following issue: hypertension, elevated blood cholesterol or triglyceride, heart murmur, congenital heart disease, rheumatic fever or unexplained joint pain. Current life cycle and psychological state: nutrition, smoking, alcohol, exercise, drugs, family history. Assessment of article: a double headed double lumen stethoscope, a blood pressure cuff, movable light source or pain light, sphygmomanometry, major tape, wrist watch and pain inspection. Eyes. The presence of yellowish plaque on the eyelid could indicate hyperlipoproteinemia, a risk factor for hypertension as well as arteriosclerosis. Chest. Observe the chest for overall torso contour. Do you see pectus excavatum? Cave in chest. Do you see pectus carinatum? Pigeon chest. Skin. Clubbing. The presence of clubbing, broadening of the extremity of the digit accompanied by nails which are abnormally curved and shiny indicate chronic poor oxygen perfusion to the distal tissue of the head and feet. Cyanosis. The presence of cyanosis bluish color also denoted chronic poor oxygen delivery to the peripheral tissue of the hand and feet. Xanthomas. The presence of yellowish plaque under the skin, non exaggerated through the skin, could indicate hyperlipoproteinemia, a risk factor for hypertension as well as arteriosclerosis. Edema. The presence of edema tissue swelling can be caused by several factors, although most commonly associated with decreased cardiac function leading to decreased capillary flow. Palpation. Use the palm of your hand to feel the chest wall for the point of maximum impulse, which is usually found at the apex of the heart. This apical pulse is generally located in the fifth intercostal space, about 7 to 9 centimeters, the width of your palm to the left of the midline. Palpation the peripheral arteries. These include the brachial, radial, femoral, popliteal, dorsal pedis, and posterior tibial. Note the counter and amplitude of each pulsation. These should be similar bilaterally. Chest percussion. Normally, only the left border of the heart can dedicate by the percussion. It extends from the sternum to the mid clavicular line in the third or fifth intercostal space. The right border line under the right margin of the sternum and is not detectable. Thank you.